Why people judge you more than you think. Imagine walking into a room of full of people. Suddenly you become aware of everything. The way you talk, the way you walk, the way you dress. And it feels like everyone is watching you. But in reality, most people aren't thinking about you nearly as much as you think they are. The invisible prison. Fear of posting on social media, fear of speaking in public, fear of starting YouTube. Example, I remember when I start posting on online, I thought every mistake would be noticed. Then I realized something. Most people are too busy in their own life. They were too busy realizing about their own mistakes. Why we feel this way? But why does this happen? Let me explain. Why do we feel walking in a room that everyone is watching? Why do we replay small mistakes? The answer is surprisingly simple. Brain is designed to help us to survive. Thousands of years ago, humans lived in small tribes. Back then, being accepted by your own tribe wasn't that important. It was necessary. If people reject you, your chances of become survival is getting much more lower. So our brain evolved to pay more attention to social approval. Being liked means safety, and being rejected means danger. The problem is that even though the world has changed, but our brain haven't changed that much. Today, getting a negative comment isn't dangerous, but posting on a YouTube isn't not dangerous as you think. Speaking in public isn't dangerous, but your brain often react as if this is a danger. Your brain make this like a life threatening. The spotlight effect. Psychologists actually have a name for this. It's called the spotlight effect. The spotlight effect is the tendency to believe that the people is watching more than we think. Imagine walking on a school with a bad haircut. You feel like everybody notices it. You think everyone is talking about your bad haircut, but in reality, most people barely pay attention. And even if they notices it, they even forget in minutes. Because just like you, they are busy in thinking about themselves, not your. They are worried about their future, appearance, problems, their insecurities, their life, and everything. Everyone is standing in their own spotlight, but we mistakenly think that we are standing in everyone's eyes. A simple experiment. Let me prove this to you. Think about the last 10 strangers you saw. Can you remember what exactly they were wearing? Probably not. Can you remember their hairstyle? Probably not. Can you remember what shoes they had on? And the answer is probably not. Now this there is a funny part. You expect people to remember exactly about your details. Do you see the contradiction? We don't even remember because we are focused on ourselves, not you. And other people are exactly doing the same things. The cost of living for other people's opinions. Now this might not be serious, but their consequences is when you constantly thinking about your judgment, you don't do you don't take actions. You don't do anything. You stop raising your hand. You stop sharing your ideas. You stop chasing opportunities. You stop creating. You stop trying, and slowly judgment is controlling your life without, and you didn't even realize it. Not because people are stopping you, because you are stopping your life. You are stopping yourself from taking actions by the fear of judgment. The present prison isn't outside, it is in your mind, and that's what is it makes so dangerous. Imagine two versions of yourself. The first version spends years of thinking what people will think. What if they judge me? Every decision is filtered through fear. Every opportunity is analyzed to death. Every dream is delayed. Now imagine the second one. This person feels fear too, but this person takes action. They start the project, they speak their mind, they make mistakes, they learn, they grow. 5 years later, which version do you think have a better life? Obviously, second one, the difference wasn't talent, the difference wasn't intelligent, the difference was courage. How to stop caring what other people think. Now that we have talked about why this happens, now let me explain. Let's talk about what we can actually do about it. But because understanding the problem is helpful, but solving is completely different thing. It is better to solve this problem. Realize that everyone is busy. The first thing you need to understand that people are more focused on themselves. That people are not focused on you. People are focused on themselves. They improve their life. They think that how to improve their life, how they can solve their problems, not on you, not on this. Most people aren't spending hours to analyzing your mistakes. So stop think about that what if people judge me. People are not judging you. They are focused on themselves, not on you. And once you truly understand this, a lot of pressure disappears. If this video seems to be helpful to you, make sure to subscribe this channel. I will be seeing you in next video. Until then, stay motivated, stay focused, stay disciplined and stay healthy. Thanks for watching.